Amazing at the moment is that the mind is racing. It's like there's a million things that you want to do, that you can do. The moment you make one little mark in the soil, you kind of suddenly realize what you can do out here. But for me, it's like, just okay, I've got this idea, so just hold on to the idea and just follow it through and see where it goes. But yeah, particularly this landscape is just so sacred, and so any little mark you make is powerful. Any little thing you do here it's just, yeah, just endless possibilities.
Now you can look at this stone foot. I just collect the stone to this here, and under the stone you can see many life. It's beautiful color, and I don't change anything. I just yes, put the stone to another place, and just to look at this beautiful living under the stone.
Oh, it's been an incredible, just not knowing what I'm doing, really, just doing something like this for the first time. Laura's been an incredible subject, because it's really meant, it's been really integral to this process that she can stay here for all this time. But yeah, in the Tankwa, you learn. It's all about scarring for me today. Anyway, I'm feeling like that. And today I thought I could cover the scar even more than I have, and you just can't.
It's almost finished, but I have to put this stone and make not really door, but yes, the line is come to this side and from this side, and one entrance. Yeah, it's almost finished, but I love it. It because you know, I enjoy to do all of this stone.
Yeah, so it's about 2:30, and we had an amazing day. This is exactly what I'd hoped for. That we'd get here, spend a day just acclimatizing as humans in a landscape, and humans as a group also. And it's just been incredible. There's like a kind of a bond now between the 6 people that have been playing on this land, and that's really what we've been doing, but really enjoying it and playing in the landscape with intention and just creating beauty. And yeah, that's what nature art, land art is all about.